Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that chimpanzees can talk. Not just repeat words, actually talk. They can discuss ideas, make plans, and even ask questions. Sounds impossible, but it raises an interesting question. Could animals ever become as intelligent as humans? Humans are not the fastest animals. We're not the strongest. We can't fly. We don't have sharp claws or powerful jaws. Yet somehow, humans became the dominant species on Earth. The secret lies inside our skulls. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons. More importantly, it evolved powerful abilities like language, planning, and abstract thinking. Many animals are surprisingly intelligent. Dolphins recognize themselves in mirrors. Crows can solve puzzles and use tools. Octopuses can escape locked containers. Chimpanzees can learn sign language and remember patterns faster than most humans. In fact, some scientists believe certain animals possess forms of intelligence that humans still don't fully understand. But none of them have built cities, invented technology, or created civilizations.
If animals are smart, why haven't they become like us? Intelligence alone isn't enough. Humans evolved several advantages at the same time. We developed language. We learned to pass knowledge from one generation to the next. We formed large social groups. And perhaps most importantly, we developed hands capable of building tools. A dolphin might be intelligent, but living underwater makes it difficult to create fire, write information, or build machines. Evolution never truly stops. Given enough time, animals could become more intelligent. Chimpanzees already share nearly 99% of their DNA with humans. Over millions of years, natural selection could potentially favor greater intelligence. However, becoming human-like is far from guaranteed. Evolution doesn't have a goal. It simply rewards traits that help a species survive. So, could animals ever become as smart as humans? Maybe. But intelligence alone isn't what built civilization. It was the combination of language, cooperation, culture, and technology. And for now, humans remain the only species that has mastered all four. But somewhere in the oceans, forests, or skies, another intelligent species may already be taking its first steps. And if one day they became as intelligent as us, would we be ready?